Let's experiment what all Copilot's free version can help us with. I'm clicking on the default button which is given. How can Copilot help me? I don't find read aloud button here as well. Oh god. I have 261 unread messages in my WhatsApp, and that could be a best use case in order to just test if Copilot's free version can help. Let's see. Not bad, but how I wish we could also get how we have an extension of Copilot in MS Teams even in WhatsApp. How cool that would be. Let's try this edit in page feature. This looks professional, very good. If you do not prefer slides, then I think this would be good. Let's explore what all else are there for us. Let's try think deeper option. And if you are like me, who is driven only out of some or the other positive pressure, then this prompt will be really helpful for you. So let's see what it gives. It's okay to pamper yourself sometimes if you're not a text person. Let's see what all else are there for us. Oh, I see a PPT and a PDF option. Let's try PPT option. Where is it? I thought it would give a download. Oh, I found it. Here it is. Meh, no graphics at all. I think the other day I tried this tool called 𝗬𝗏𝗏. The graphics or the PPT quality is world class. You should try it. Okay, let's give a try to the PDF option. Let's see how it looks. This is good, especially if you are a teacher or someone who wants to send this particular PDF to someone else. If you are a coach who wants to send diet plans to your students, just a use case I'm talking about, you can try this option. It is so easy that you can transfer this particular page via WhatsApp too. But if you are a list person like me, you can try this Excel option. Try it and let me know how it works for you.